Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Justin. Most people call me GDT. If you're new here to the channel, please make sure you hit like and subscribe so you can see all kinds of great live day trading and day trading related content here on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a breakdown of how February went for me day trading. We'll be looking at the TraderSync stats, calendar, all that stuff, and we're going to be looking at the broker statement from Interactive Brokers, so stay tuned. Okay, so February. For me, the story of February was really, I didn't trade a whole lot throughout the month. I was gone for basically an entire week between work and my vacation that I went on to the Bahamas. There are a few just no trade days there, and there are a few holidays in there. So if we look at the trading calendar here, out of, you know, all these possible trading days, I missed 1, 2, basically 3 here because that was just a little thing I was messing with late in the afternoon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days out of the month basically missed in February. And when, February is the shortest month of the year, that's going to take its toll. So missed 8 trading days out there. Actually had a few red days this month as well. So, if we're looking at it overall on the month of February after commissions and everything, only up $291.46. So obviously that's much lower than I was hoping for, nowhere near where my goal is. But, for the most part, it was a slow month and had a lot of non-trading days. So for the most part, that was the story of the month. Did have 2 of red days, which were, fine as far as the size, but this last one, obviously, if you saw the trade on the very last day of the month where I ran into some buying power issues with Interactive Brokers when margin was restricted, that was pretty frustrating. And then this one on the 22nd was the 500 or so dollar loss in Tesla that day, combined with the win in whatever this other stock was. So if we go into the month and we look at the trade breakdown for the month, only took 23 trades on the month. 82% winning percentage, up 291.47, and that's kind of the story of it. So I added a new mistake here, which is the broker buying power issue, because had I been able to do what I wanted in this trade, I would have certainly been green on it. But sometimes it just doesn't work. So where's the Tesla loss? Here, there it is. So didn't even put a mistake on Tesla because that was just one that didn't work out. It just, I hit all 3 entries, my intensity long 3 entry strategy, and it just didn't work out, and I had to stop out for the loser there. Thankfully, next trade on the day, it was apparently CVRX, was able to get a nice winner there for 345 on that one to recoup most of the loss on the day. But, that's where I'm at as far as the TraderSync stats are here for February. Look at the broker statement. Okay, so in my account on Interactive Brokers Online, we're going to run a monthly statement for February. View that here in the HTML browser, and we can see exactly what's going on. So let's see, realized and unrealized report summary. So here you can see the breakdown, the 291.47. That's after commissions and all that stuff. So that's kind of where I ended up on the month. But if we can break it down a little bit further if we would like and go through every trade. So on the month in commissions, I paid $72.85. So really I made $364 before commissions minus the $72.85 for the $291.47, which is the net. But you do have to remember as well, IB has nice interest rates. So I made $40 basically in interest accrued this month. So that negated my loser or my commissions down to about $30 or so on the month here. So overall, like I said, a very much slower month, but we can see the breakdown here in my Interactive Broker statement online. And now we can look at where I'm at for the year so far. All right, so let's get rid of the trades for February, go into the entire year. So for the entire year, I've taken 54 trades, 1.72 profit factor, net return after commissions and not including interest is 931, an 85% winning percentage, and return, including interest down here, is at $1,050 for the year. So up $1,050 for the year. Not where I want to be, but waiting for things to pick up a little bit. I am trying to push a little bit further into pushing the share size, but I'm also learning how to deal with this new buying power margin restriction thing that's been going on with IB. So trying to figure that out as I go. So interestingly enough, I've only taken the one 3 entry long trade, and it was a loser. And oddly enough as well, the intensity short with 2 entries is right now red on the year, but still very small sample size. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes throughout the year. And my only red day right now is on Friday, and that's a total of minus 950. All the other days are green, and I definitely think that has a lot to do with wanting to get those trades in, especially if I'm going to be off going any days into the next week. So there's a lot of FOMO there going on Fridays, but only down 950 overall. So just wanted to show you guys where I'm at with the account in February and on the year so far. Trying to be as transparent as possible and show you guys everything along the way. So hopefully you enjoy that. If you do, make sure you hit like and subscribe on the video, and I'll see you for some trading.